Hello, dear students. In this session, let us understand a case-based discussion on operating cycle. Again, operating cycle is nothing but the entire cyclic process happens in the working capital. Like it starts from raw material by paying cash to your suppliers. It is convertible into partially completed goods next to fully completed goods. Okay, and then you're just selling it to customers and then again getting cash. So the entire process is called as operating cycle. So here we have a case study discussion like Cubes Manufacturing Limited is the company we are having over here. So it is a mid-sized company producing all kind of electrical appliances. Fine. So the manager wants to evaluate the operating cycle to improve cash flow management. This is the simple question, case question. Clear? So he wants to evaluate the operating cycle so that he can able to improve his company's cash flow. Right. And we have financial data like this. So raw materials holding period it is for 30 days, and then work in progress period 20 days, finished goods holding period around 25 days, debtors collection period is 40 days, and then creditors payment period is 35 days. See, debtors collection period is something that accounts receivables. Okay. Creditors payments period is something that to your suppliers, you're just paying accounts payables. Okay. So just try to understand the difference between these two things. So these are all the datas. By having this financial data, we have need to do certain analysis part like first one, inventory conversion period, first calculation. And second is we need to calculate operating cycle. Next, cash conversion cycle. And next, you should analyze whether the company's liquidity position it is stronger or weaker. Okay. And the last one is suggest 3 improvements to reduce the operating cycle. So this is the entire case with the financial data. We are just needed to do all the questions, solve all the case questions. First one. So inventory conversion period. So what is the formula for inventory conversion period? First one, see here. So raw materials plus work in progress plus finished goods. Okay. So this is the actual formula for inventory conversion period. See, inventory is converting in all these things, right? In all of these, see, from raw materials, inventory plays a role. Work in progress, finished goods. Okay. Everywhere. Okay, this inventory it plays a role. So RM plus WIP plus finished goods. It is the actual calculation for converting, calculating your inventory conversion period. See here. So raw materials is 30, work in progress is 20, and finished goods is 25. So 30 plus 20 plus 25, which gives 75 days. It is required for your inventory to convert. Okay. So operating cycle. Formula for next calculation that is operating cycle is inventory conversion period plus receivables period. Clear? So inventory conversion period just now we calculated it is 75 days. So write that 75 plus 40. See here plus 40 is your debtors collection period is 40. So what is mentioned here? Receivables. I already mentioned that receivables is your collection. So that is 40, which is given in your financial data. So go through that. So 75 plus 40, which gives 115 days. And that is the solution for your operating cycle. And next calculation is cash conversion cycle. Again, formula for cash conversion is operating cycle minus payables period. Okay, so just see the before step 2. So operating cycle is 115. Just now we calculated minus payables. Again, go to that data. See payables, creditors payment period given there, right, is 35, right? So write that 35 payments data. So 115 minus 35, which gives 80. Okay, so 80 days is your cash conversion. So this is the method to calculate the all these things, like we calculated inventory conversion, we calculated operating cycle, and then cash conversion cycle is also over. So see the next question, whether the company's liquidity position is strong or weak. So see, cash is locked for around 80 days. So which is relatively high. So company needs better inventory and credit control. See, 80 days your cash is literally locked. So that is somehow it is, you're not in a safer side. It literally indicates that thing. Okay. So that is why, so better inventory management and better credit control that you need to do. That is the thing. So that is a suggestion you can say. And next is, see the question. Suggest three improvements to reduce the operating cycle. See, that cycle should not be too lengthy. That is the thing. Yes. Reduce inventory holding time using just in time inventory. So JIT is something that just in time. So these are all the inventory management techniques. So you need not to, your inventories will not be stocked for a longer period of time. Okay, where that again increases your working capital expenses. So by means of doing all these techniques like JIT, you can just literally reduce the holding time. Okay. And next is improve credit collection policy, like no no, you should not give longer time period like 120 days, 90 days, 60 days. That is actually, it is not good for your business. So reduced 40 to 30 days. Again, that which is 40 is given there in our case. So reduce that to 30 days. That is enough. Okay. And next is negotiate better credit terms with the suppliers. That also we can do. So these are all the suggestions, which is what we are just providing for this so and so company. Clear? Thank you.